when you look back in the 60s, 70s, there were beautiful films with amazing female characters. You know, whether you talk about Aradhana or Abhiman, or you talk about Andhi and Ghar, all these female characters, and at varied ages, not 18 and 20-year-olds. But then there was this entire patch where the lead, a heroine, had to only be pretty.
And like there was an entire batch of Miss Worlds and Miss Indias.
Even, you know, forget all of them coming into it. The fact is that the roles were that. That is what was meant for. When you said actress, they didn't actually, I don't think they cared whether you could act or you can't act. What mattered was, do you look good? Can you dance? And I think, can you wear a chiffon sari in ice cold minus temperatures? So I think that was the world. So where would they have put me? And the work that came was not exciting. It was just not exciting. It was very depressing, you know, for a big chunk. And then I realized one day that the kind of work I want to do is not going to come every day. It's going to come rarely. So I might have one project a year, or I might just have to wait for 2-3 years. I could have worked continuously, but I don't think I would have been happy doing it. Because then it just meant I had to go to work. I love what I do. So I only pick stuff that really touches me.
You're really very selective.
Very selective, because you know that when I read something, it has to really call me and draw me and say, like, I have to do this or it's life and death. So those kind of things don't come every day.
Life and death.
Like it's like I have to be. Oh yeah. For me, everything is extreme. I'm extremely passionate, which is why I do. I don't know whether I do it well or not, but I know I do it like with more than 100%, because I don't know any other way.
உங்கள் தங்க நகையை விற்று உடனடி பணம் பெற மேக்ஸ் கோல்ட். கால் 04445454545.